Stop machine by using the main power switch. Close the ball valves under the feed tanks. Disconnect the power. Cap off desiccant tubes and close the valves. Purge tank with dry nitrogen or evacuate air by vacuum. Disconnect air supply. Make sure lids are fastened securely. Do not relieve the pressure on the system. This will cause air to enter material lines and potentially harden material in the hoses. Remove gunhead manifold. Clean gunhead face and manifold thoroughly with solvent. Replace manifold and install the nightcap.